Hey YouTube!
Hi YouTube!
This is
Ryan!
and it's Daddy Matthew, and we have another toy review for you today, and a hug for me, of course. And guess what? A couple things. My buddy has a new shirt that he wants to show off and hide his face at the same time. It is a.
With myself on it.
Yep, it is a official.
Put the Mickey Mouse shirt on.
It is a official channel shirt for him. And what does YouTube need to do?
Click this button and click the bell.
Yep. And we try to do these once a week. So let's go ahead and you remember what the game is today?
No.
No.
I forgot.
It is Beehive Surprise.
Those are the down. He looks like he wants to sting somebody.
I hope he doesn't want to sting somebody because I don't want to be stung.
Me too.
Okay. So YouTube, we have Beehive Surprise. It is for the ages
4
and up, and 2 to 4 players.
Yay!
And it's been a while since we've done it, but it is a Hasbro game. Some adult assembly required, and guess what?
But the babies will know how to play games.
Yep, and it looks like it needs batteries. So it says Beehive Surprise, eFun and Friends.
What's the idea?
Yep, same thing here, but it's got Elefun, and it's advertising a couple of the other the games that they have. Yeah, he does have that game. That is Hungry Hippo.
It was a present from Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that it was. You remember that. Same thing on that side. And what is that? Barcode. And on the back, let's see what it says. Elephant and friends love honey, but this grumpy honeybee doesn't like to share. Grab some honey without making her jump at you. So number 1, it has reach for a honeycomb and the bee will buzz. 2, be quick. If she jumps forward, you're out. So it comes with a hive cover honeybee unit.
Look at her tummy.
Yep, she got a big old tummy. And it comes with 2 wings, 13 plastic honeycombs, and instructions and a label sheet. So you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, YouTube, so we have it put together. There's basically like 3 or 4 parts here. He could probably put it together, and he actually did put a decent amount of it together. You got the bumblebee, you got to put the eyes and the wings on it. And the honeycomb kind of slides over, and there's a track on the bottom of it. It does take 3 AA batteries, and there's 13 of these honeycombs. And you do need to kind of try to put them in here, but they don't really fit the right way. The object of the game is 2 to 4 players. The youngest player goes first. You go in to the left, so clockwise motion. You grab one, and if the bee goes forward, you're out. If not, you're safe. You go to the next person. Whoever the bee kind of jumps forward on, you're out. So in a 2-player game like we're going to play, yeah, like him and me, if it jumps out on me, he wins. Instant, done. And there is a switch on the bottom, and just pretty much take turns and you go at it.
Yeah.
Sound like fun?
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to do it. One more little thing is if you push the button during gameplay, it pauses it. So I am going to start it. He grabs a honeycomb, I grab a honeycomb, we keep going, and when he jumps, guess what? Somebody's out. So, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 honeycomb. Grab it, get it out. Hurry, don't play. Okay, your turn. Grab another one. You grab 2, dude. Okay, grab another one. Be gentle about it. Up. You're out. Daddy won. Okay, Daddy's, go. Grab one. Grab one. Okay, your turn.
Now the butter's milk.
You need to get it. Okay, your turn. Grab it. Up. Okay, you lost. Okay, YouTube, it is a tiebreaker. We're 1-1. So your turn. Okay, grab one quick. And I played 3 games.
Yeah.
And he won 2 out of the 3.
Wow.
So, way to go.
Yay!
And he hit my thumb, but that's okay. I still love him. Fast game. What'd you think?
The cool wings.
Yep, it is a very cool game. You think they need to consider getting their own copy?
I think so.
Well, look at them and tell them.
I think so.
Okay, we will try to link if you want your copy in the bottom. And what does YouTube need to do?
Click subscribe and click the bell.
We are trying to get some more subscribers, so if you would please give us thumbs up. It really helps us. And do the subscribe.
Yeah, do the
And
subscribe.
tell friends and neighbors, church people, co-workers, whatever, and help us out any way you can.
Also your friends.
Yep. And we shall see you next time with the Peace 2.
Out. Peace out. Peace